Hey guys, you can see that my Meta Quest 3 has just arrived. I got a little excited. Yeah, and that happened too. Anyway, welcome to my channel VROG, the ultimate virtual reality channel. Today we are going to do an unboxing of Meta Quest 3. If you personally ask me, Meta definitely downsized the packaging compared to the Quest 2. It's a compact, minimalist, and honestly pretty sleek design. My brain definitely buffered here. I had no clue unboxing this thing. With no further delays, let's open the VR headset. After some slicing, the outer cover just came right off. Here comes the most satisfying thing I did all video. Yes, you guessed it right, the pull tabs. I think I'm gonna ASMR this part of the video anyway. And there it is. Right away you can see how much smaller this is compared to the Quest 2. The presentation is super clean. Holding the headset, the first thing that jumps out is the front visor. The packaging is minimalist and clean as well. Here you can see the instruction how to tighten and loosen the headband. But I yanked it off anyway. Look at these three pill size cutouts. This is the magic of Quest 3. It has the dual RGB color cameras on either side and the depth projector for the sweet mixed reality pass through. Turning it around, we got the new Pancake lenses. They are noticeably flatter, which is why the whole front of the headset is so much thinner. These lenses give you the 4K plus infinite display, while the XR2 Gen 2 chip doubles the graphical processing power. The basic adjustable facepad is given here, which can be upgraded. Meta also brought back the physical IPD adjustment wheel right down here at the bottom. This is huge. Instead of clicking between three preset distances, you can dial in the exact eye distance for the maximum clarity. Along with that, the leftmost corner one is the power button and the long button in the bottom adjusts volume. Here you can see the charging dock on the left and the adjustable headband. The standard Y strap is a standard fabric strap. If you are going to be throwing serious punches or doing fast tactical reloads, you are definitely going to want to upgrade to an elite strap. Hey, notice anything missing? The massive tracking rings are gone. They are completely ringless now. The grips and triggers feel subtle and ergonomic, but the real hidden upgrade here is the true touch haptics. They borrowed it from the Quest Pro. You just pull the small little tab on the controller. Meta is still using AA batteries for this. Thankfully, they pre installed them. Diving into the accessory box, it's pretty straightforward. We've got a standard 18-watt USB-C power brick, a decent length USB-C to USB-C charging cable. So this is everything you get in the box. Hardware wise, it feels like a massive premium leap forward, but hardware is only half the story. The real test is how this headset actually performs when the lenses light up. Looks like the headband adjusts just right. It is finally time to turn on the power button. set the IPD distance, and get on with the setup with the Meta Horizon app. The QR is right there, and the setup is really hassle free. I'm going to boot this up, map out my studio, and push this new processor to its absolute limits. Let me take you inside the headset with me to test the actual pass through quality, the raw graphical power, and whether the combat immersion is really as good as they say it. The immersive video experience is quite remarkable. You do not want to miss out on the gameplay on Quest 3, pushing it to the absolute edge. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to VROG, and hit the bell icon to keep you notified. The MetaQuest 3 is a powerful standalone mixed reality headset featuring 4K plus infinite display resolution, a Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 chipset, and a full color pass through. With a 8 GB RAM, 110-degree field of vision, and 40% slimmer than the Quest 2. FYI, I almost pissed my pants doing that jump right there. Last but not least, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Do subscribe to VROG.